An object can have optional properties. Once properties have been defined as optional, you can create custom initializers that ignore the optional properties to make it simpler to create new instances of the object. In line 3, add an optional property called node of type string. So here we have our to-do item struct again. We have a title that's required and it's a string. And now we want to add another property to it. And in this case, the property should be a node, but we want to make it optional. So it's also a string, but it's an optional string. And you make it optional by adding the question mark. If you're confused about this, be sure to review the chapter on optionals. So here's our initializer, and this time we pass in a title of type string, and then we say self.title equals title. In line 8, we create an instance for the struct called new to-do item, and we say it equals a to-do item with a title. So we want to here say we need to exercise, and you can see that we didn't have to specify a node. We can try to safely unwrap the nodes in our new to-do item. So now we say if let to-do node equals new to-do item dot node, then print the to-do node. And if we run this, it shouldn't print the node because it doesn't exist. In fact, it will not even print nil because we're safely unwrapping this here, and it will only print if the node exists. So this needs to be updated. But the custom init function basically asks you to add a value only for the title, since the property is optional.